after the book of Judges, which one is the next book?
James.
Ah! All right, you're welcome again to Ogunmefun Emmanuel Temidayo's channel, and we are back to Bible quiz on the streets. Today, we'll be going out to ask people random questions in respect to the names of the books of the Bible, from Genesis to Revelation. Let's come to the street and let us see what the people of doing. Lọ́gbọ̀n sà.
Orúkọ mi ni Ọlá.
Àwọn ìbéèrè lọ́wọ́ yín tó jọmọ́ Bíbélì. Ẹ bá ti gba márùn-ún, ẹ máa gba 1,000. Ọgbẹ́ tí ẹ bá gba márùn-ún, gbọ́dọ̀ bá mi ni máa fún yín at the end of the day. Ṣé ó wà okay pẹ̀lú yín? Àkọ́kọ́ first question, ta ni bàbá Jésù?
Joseph.
Joseph, ẹ gbà yẹn o. Ta ni ìyá Jésù?
Maria.
Ẹ túbọ̀ Maria. Níbo la bí Jésù sí? Ìlú ni o.
Ìlú ni Jerusalem kọ́ nìyẹn ni.
Bẹ́ẹ̀ Jerusalem ní Bùjẹ́ ẹran. Ẹ̀jẹ̀ fún ìgbà. Ìwé wo ló parí Bíbélì? Orúkọ ìwé wo ló parí Bíbélì?
Orúkọ ìwé tó parí Bíbélì.
Ìfihàn. Ọba ẹni ìgbà ilé ọkọ tí a bọ́ sí ọkọ tí a bọ́. Èyí tó ń bọ̀ wọ́n látàrí ló kú ọ̀rẹ́ ìjọba tó bí ọ̀rẹ́. Látàrí ló kú ọ̀rẹ́. Ṣé o tó láti bẹ̀rẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ kí pé wọ́n bá ọ̀rẹ́ ìjọba?
Ẹ ṣe mo dúpẹ́.
Sister Catch head for 5 of my question. I agree with 1,000 naira. So which book do we have for Revelation?
Okay. We have Jude.
Yeah, you're correct. That's you got my first question now. Now the next one that is John. How many epistles of John do we have?
We have normal John, First John, Second John, Third John.
Wow, okay, 2 books in the Bible that were named after a female.
Esther, Ruth.
I really too. Okay, now which book comes after Nehemiah?
Comes after Nehemiah.
Nehemiah.
Esther.
Esther. Before Nehemiah. Even though you didn't get the last one, I still need you to give money. Thank you very much for your time. God bless you. You just won yourself 1,000 naira.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you.